Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram filters not working. First of all, open your Instagram app. Once you open your Instagram app, go to the camera section or simply tap on the center plus icon. Once you tap that, tap on the camera and see right now there is no any filters showing in this app. So what you do is go back and go to Play Store and search for Instagram. So search for Instagram. So see here, once you got once you see here, if here you see update button, simply tap on update, and once you update, this problem gonna fix it, because your app needs update. So that's why it is not showing filter. If it is not working by that, working after doing the update, then what you do is go to settings and go to app and search for, scroll down and search for the Instagram app. So go to Instagram app and what you do is go to storage section and simply tap on clear data and tap on delete. And once you do this, go back and try again, try using Instagram using filters, and I'm sure it will definitely going to work. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and give the thumbs up. Thank you so much.